Are you ready to take your Facebook advertising game to the next level? In today's guide, we'll break down the step-by-step process to master Facebook ad targeting. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, understanding how to reach the right audience can transform your marketing success. Step 1. Define your campaign objective. The first step is to clearly define your campaign's objective. Facebook offers several options, such as brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation, or even app downloads. Knowing your goal will help you align your targeting strategies accordingly. For example, if your goal is conversions, Facebook will show your ads to users most likely to take that action. Step 2. Use Facebook's core audiences. Facebook's core audiences allow you to target people based on demographics, location, interests, and behaviors. Narrow down your audience by selecting specific criteria, like age, gender, and geographic location. Additionally, you can choose from thousands of interests and behaviors. For example, if you're selling fitness products, target users interested in wellness, health, and exercise. Step 3. Leverage custom audiences. Custom audiences allow you to retarget users who have interacted with your business before. This could include people who have visited your website, engaged with your Facebook page, or even those on your email list. Uploading your customer data allows Facebook to match those users with existing accounts and show them your ads, ensuring you're reconnecting with an already warm audience. Step 4. Explore lookalike audiences. Next up, lookalike audiences. These are one of the most powerful features in Facebook ads targeting. Facebook analyzes your existing audience to create a new set of users who look like your current customers. This allows you to expand your reach to a fresh, highly relevant group of people who are more likely to convert based on similar traits and behaviors. Step 5. Refine with detailed targeting. Finally, use detailed targeting to include or exclude people based on specific demographics, interests, or behaviors. You can layer these parameters for highly focused ads. Don't forget to monitor and adjust your targeting as you go. Testing different combinations will help you discover the most effective strategy for your brand. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to mastering Facebook ad targeting. Start implementing these tips today, and watch your ad performance soar.